Hi there, my name is Kobus. Welcome back to Artemis Under the Hood. So, as you might have seen from previous episodes, we really want to, with these short episodes, look at what's happening under the hood with Artemis, right? So, if we look at we're looking at different aspects of Artemis, and I think the thing that really sticks with me is how these different elements really tie together. So, I think many agentic platforms or AI agent built platforms, the tools are very disparate. So it's loose tooling. You need to clobber together to create a solution. Where with Artemis, it's really all cohesive and all defined, within the single user interface. So I quickly want to look at evals. So previously we looked at the different components of evals. So now I want to look at running evals and scoring. So you will see that there's a table here where I've got different evals defined. You can see that I've got the name of the suite that was created. I've got the status, so some failed. The run didn't fail, but the score that was placed there by the creator of the evals was not met. You can see the coverage and the number of conversations and the number of evaluators. So let's quickly go into one, and it will give you a better idea of how it all ties together. So you can see how comprehensive the evals are. And again, as I mentioned previously, is that you can really run evals, score your applications, and through that, save the pain the user might experience from vulnerabilities within your application. So traditionally, people use the application, with chatbots or conversational UIs or AI agents, and the transcripts are reviewed, and from that, problems are identified, etc., and fixes are implemented. But with Artemis, you can really run fine-grained evaluators, AI evals, and ensure that your application runs successfully and that user experience is really up there. So there's too much to go through in a short video, but suffice to say, you will see that this run was cancelled. You can see there it's queued, generating conversations, grading the evaluators, and then aggregating the score. This is the progress the evaluation runs through. You can see so far my score is quite low. So I've reached the combination of all the elements, all the evaluators I put in there, only reached 60%, but my target is 85%. So I can, set that as I need. And you can see what I'm trying to evaluate. So I want task efficiency, I want to have safety and compliance, and also response quality. So you can really, in a fine-grained way, define what the evaluators are you want to measure. I think it's also important is token and cost evidence, and that's also shown here. It's important to calculate the cost. I always mention there was a study a while back that really made a big impact on me in terms of how to think of AI agents. And the title of the study was AI Agents That Matter. And they really had this Pareto frontier where they looked at the cost of running an agent and what is the revenues slash savings of that agent, right? So there's no sense in implementing an agent where the cost saving or the revenue that's generated is really, much lower than what the token cost is of running that agent. So measuring token cost is really important. And then lastly, at the bottom here, you can see how it was created, how this test suite are put together. So in this case, we've got three scenarios. You can think of that as usage scenarios. We've got three different personas. The one can be a beginner, less verbose user. One can be an advanced user. One can be a nefarious user that's testing the application limits. And then I've got different variations I can also implement. And I've got the number of runs here. I've got a summary in here. I can run this test suite. I can export this. There's a whole lot of features in here. I can see not only the overview, but I can go to the latest run, and I can also go to the history of previous runs. So suffice to say that this is a very detailed, and I keep on using this word, fine grained environment to evaluate your agentic applications and really understand the performance of your application, prior to releasing it into the wild. Thank you.